Yeah, sure. I would just like to add that we will be continuing the workshops, and the NID HUD office will be actively participating in the credit repair workshops, where credit repair and housing comes, it goes it goes together. You can't have one without the other. So I just want to urge everyone to just tune in, stay tuned into what we're going to be offering in the upcoming months.
Excellent. Thank you, Madam First Vice President Tangia Bryant.
You're welcome.
Um, and also our next we are going to take a break for December. Okay, just so you guys know. Our Madam First Vice President, she has an NID HUD Homebuyers Workshop next Saturday. Is that next Saturday? Do I have that right? I think that is correct. Next Saturday, yes, on the 19th.
October 19th.